You need some quick snack ideas for kids? I got you. Stick around and watch me pack my kids' snack baskets in a fun and super easy way. Welcome to my channel. It is Monday, which means I'm doing my weekly snack reset for my kids' snack baskets. I have 4 little ones at home, so you can imagine how many times a day I'm asked, Mom, can I have a snack? What's for snack? What's for snack? So I decided to just get them each a basket and put a bunch of things in it that they can just choose from when it's snack time. I always like to start up with fruit, so they're getting 2 green apples, 2 red apples, 2 of these little oranges, and a banana. Then I like to go in and add some packaged snacks because they last a little longer, and it just adds a fun little mix to their basket. We have veggie straws. They love these things, and I got the big pack that comes in 2 different flavors. So this week we're just going to give them the ranch one. Then I get some chocolate chip granola bars, and they're going to get 2 of these per basket. Next, I'm adding some brainy egg pouches. I love these things, and my kids love how they taste. They have omega-3s, choline, vitamin C. There's no added sugar. And I got the pack with apple strawberry and just plain apple. They're going to get 2 apple strawberries. I always buy fruit cups, like a mixture of fruit cups. So this time I'm going to put mandarins in their basket. The other fruit cups I will put in the fridge for other snack time later. This is what the basket is looking like right now. What you don't see is I usually make a baked good throughout the week. So this week I did make mini chocolate chip muffins, which I wrapped and will give to them like 2 or 3 times this week. These little stackable cubes, I love them. They have made organizing snacks and different foods in my fridge so easy. I will have them linked below if you want to check them out. We're going to start with the 8-pack of Yoplait yogurt cups. I usually give them this in the morning for breakfast. Then we have yogurt tubes on the side for snacks and string cheese for snacks. And then here are those other fruit cups from that variety pack I told you about. And we're all done. So whenever they want a snack, they can just choose from any of these things. And it's super easy and quick. Does your kiddo eat any of these snacks? And if not, what's their favorite thing right now? I'm always looking for new snack ideas to incorporate in my basket. And like and subscribe for more content like this.